निर्मला इन्स्टिट्यूट एज्युकेशनान हीरक महोत्सवी वर्सांत पावल दवरलां. 20 जून 2022 ते 20 जून 2023 मजगती 60व्या वर्सा निमतान विविध उपक्रम राबयतले. इन्स्टिट्यूशनाच्या जाळवणदारांनी डायमंड जुबली इयर सेलिब्रेशनाचो लोगो लॉन्च केलो. वर्सभर जातल्या विविध उपक्रमांची माहिती दिली.
We have closed the special ed course, but special children or differently abled children are very close to our heart. And so we have not given up this dimension, though technically the government gave the course to somebody else. We still believe that we can work for these children. So we are having several plans for several workshops. One of them is sensory integration, to enable teachers to understand sensory issues in children and strategies of managing the classroom. Another one is shadow teaching. The thing is to open classes for special children in regular schools. That's called inclusive education. And while we had the BL special course, we had 9 schools open these resource rooms. In fact, one is in our KG and is doing very well. This year we have 16 children coming, so we have to get another teacher because you can only manage 8 at a time. So we will also have a shadow teaching course where we prepare educational assistants to work with special needs children in the mainstream classes.
The Diamond Jubilee logo, the theme for the year is Discover the Diamond in Every Person. So the logo is an open book with a diamond protruding outward. The book is a source of knowledge which is imparted to the trainee. It also symbolizes water or waves where knowledge is continuously fluid and evolving. The diamond is encrusted with 6 human figurines which depict the 6 decades since the inception of this institute. The 7 colors of the rainbow symbolize the various talents of the teacher trainee. In the middle, you could see a banyan tree. It symbolizes continual growth and development. It spreads its shoots and crops roots in order to support the branches and does not stop growing until it dies. The lotus symbolizes purity. As you see the date, the year, the institute was started in the year 1963 and in 2020 we complete 60 years of its inception.